Welcome to Punditas AI. Today, we'll guide you through the process of tagging enhancements in the Punditas AI tips and tricks. Tagging helps you organize and retrieve valuable resources effortlessly, making your workflow smoother than ever. Tagging is a powerful feature in Punditas AI that allows you to categorize and label key resources like enhancements, blogs, and more. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to the Enhancements tab in Tips and Tricks module. Step 2. Click on the Tag This button. Step 3. Type your desired tag name into the input field. For example, Creo Tips or Dynamic Definition of Cross-Sections. Step 4. Click on the Add Tag button or simply press Enter. And just like that, your tag is added successfully. Every time you add a tag, you earn 2 reward points in the tips and tricks. A little bonus for your efforts. Now, let's go over a few important limitations to keep in mind while creating tags. With tags in place, you can easily filter and retrieve your enhancements when you need them. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your insights organized. That's it. You're now ready to tag your enhancements in Punditas AI's tips and tricks. Start tagging and take control of your knowledge management journey today. For more information, connect with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, or email us at contact@punditas.com.